We're going to make a video about the numbers. I already made a video about the numbers from 1 to 20. Here I'm going to tell you how to say them again. And we made another video in tens, how to make them in tens. I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to show you how to make, for example, 21, 22, 43, 53, how we make them. Because they are different from English. So, واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So those are the numbers from 1 to 20. As I told you, I have a video only from 1 to 20, so you learn them more. See here, we have the ones, we have these are the tens, okay? And here we have from 11 to 20. We're going to use now the ones and the tens for these. And I'm going to show you how to write these numbers. For example, we have 25. In English we say 20, we start with the 2. 20, here, 20 and 5 in English. In Maltese we're going to do them, we're going to start from the 5, not from the 2. So, we start from the 5, which is the ones. So, we go with Hamsa, sorry for my handwriting, because Hamsa, Hamsa, Now we do the 20, the tens here, and it is a 20. ملا 20. خمسة وعشرين. So we started first with the ones, and then when we went to the tens. Now here we have 40 and 2. So we're going to start with the 2. So the 2 is 2. So 2. We always write O. And we have the 4, the tens. So the 4 is 40. 2 40. 42. Now we have 91. We're going to start first with the 1. So the 1 is واحد. It's end. Means end. واحد 2 and 9. The 9. The 9 is the same. So the same. واحد 2 the same. Now we have the 63. We're going to start from here. So 3. It's 3. So 3. We have the 6. And the 6 is 16. 3 16. Now we have 59. We're going to start from the 9. So, we go to the 9 here, we have disa. Disa, we always start from the back of the number in Maltese. So, disa, and we have the 5. So, 5 is 50. Disa, 50. Now, we have 74. In Maltese, we start with this one, the 4. So, we go to 4 here, which is erba. So, we write erba. U. الأربعة and we have the 7. 70 So we write 7. Now we have 86. So we're going to start with the 6. So, we go to the 6, it's ستة. So, ستة. And we have 8. We go to the tens, and we have 80. So, we write 80. 86. Now we have 37. So, we start with the 7. We go here to the 7, mela 7. And we have the 3, the tens. So, the 30 is 30. 37. 37. And that is how we write the Maltese first. Not like in English, we say 20 and 5. In Maltese, we start from the back. So, خمسة. This is the 10. These are the tens. So, we say 20. Because 20 in Maltese is 20. 42. So we're going to start from the back. We say 2, which means and. 40, because these are the tens. 4. 40. 40. 91. واحد. The one is واحد. And 90. So, the same. Now, 63. So, 3. 3, we start from here, 3 60, it's 16, 3 60, 59, 9, then we have the 5, 50, 50, 74, 70, 70 is 70. 86. So we start from the back. 6 and 80. 80. 37. So we start from 7. 7 30 is 30. And that is how the Maltese numbers are written. As I told you, these are the first one. We had 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if you know these, the first from 1 to 10. And if you know the tens, how we say them, the tens, from 20 to 90, you will know the other numbers. As I told you, you have to learn first from 1 to 10, and then the tens, 20, 30, 40, 50. And when you see these numbers, the last numbers will be the first one. You add that means and then you add the tens, the 10. Here, from 11, from 10, here's the 10, 10, from 11 to 20, we say them like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As I told you, these are the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then I tell you how to say 100. Now, we have numbers like these. Now, the other numbers are the same. You always start from the back. I chose these numbers, but as I told you, all the numbers are like that. So, we're going to start from the back. 25 2 42 1 90 63 59 74 76 87 37. Now 100 we say mia. This is the 100, mia. So if we have, for example, number 124. We have 124. So we say mia, 400, mia. 100 it's mia. So we have 24. So we start from 4. Erba, O, and we have the 20 here, so 20. Mia, 400, erba, we have to do this now, erba, o, 20, like that. 1,000, we have 1,000, if we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, we say elf. For 1,000, we say elf. These are the Maltese numbers. As I told you, I have videos of from 1 to 20. I have video of this, but of these, I didn't make any video how to, if you have mixed numbers like this, how to make them. So I hope that this video you find it useful. Sorry for my handwriting, because I hope that you understood what I wrote. And I hope that from this video, because many get confused because of this, and because we start not from the first one, we start from the last one, then we say the first one. Hope that you understood and you will be able, we will manage with the Maltese numbers. Bye for now.